welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because we've reached 500 subscribers. I'm so thankful for everybody who watches my videos. If you're subscribed to my channel, if you share my videos, it means so much to me, and I can't wait to reach 1,000, hopefully by the end of this year, but I mean, we're not making any promises, but I really hope so. So let's get into today's video. Alright, so we all know that TikTok is a huge trend happening right now, especially because we're all in quarantine, and I mean, it's really good to pass the time. So I've seen some tutorials that people have done for things that they've tried out, or the way they do certain things, and I was like, hey, why don't I make a video where I try out these things and see how well they work. I'm also going to be rating them from 1 to 10 based on how well they work. So yeah, let's get into the video. I feel like there's some interesting stuff in here.
Hey guys, so I just sat down to edit, and this video was actually supposed to contain other things that I saw on TikToks, but it's gotten really long, so I'm just gonna keep it to hair tutorials for now, and then eventually I'll make another one of other stuff. So if there's any confusion there, that's why.
Alright, so let's get into the first video that I want to recreate off TikTok. I'm just going to play the video first, and you guys can see it. So basically in the video, she curls her hair in 5 minutes or less. Now, I think this is gonna work on my hair just because I have really straight thin hair. So for once in my life, my hair is gonna be useful. But I can see this being an issue for people with like thicker hair or like curly hair. I don't think it works for everybody, but I mean, I guess she's just making it for people who have the same type of hair as she does. So let's test it out. First, gonna put my hair into a high ponytail, so let's do that. I think that's high enough. Okay, split it in half, and then fours. So we have a safety glove because I burnt myself far too many times to count, and my mom does not appreciate it, so. Okay, so she curls it from like the root. I really do not curl my hair often because it's a lot of work and I have straight hair. Why can't I? Ugh! My plug is really far away. I think that's the issue. I have a plug right here. Okay, hold on a second. I'm gonna switch plugs. This is the right piece. Okay, yeah, see, I can hold this one. Okay, it feels hot, so just pull it out, and I kind of hold it in my hand like this. Can you see? We'll release it. Oh, it's curly. That's for sure. Okay, ready? Curls. Great. Okay, this side. Literally, my arms are gonna break off. Okay, there's that curl. I wonder if that girl had layers, because I have some layers and they're just falling out, okay? Oh my god, literally. Don't let go. Oh, one-handed. Is this dangerous? Probably. I should hold it. Feels pretty hot. Okay. This is what I look like now. Let sit for 1 minute and then pull ponytail out. This part is legit straight. It's literally flat. The insides are not curled. I don't know, maybe my sections were too thick. I think it's not too bad. Definitely cuts down time. So let me just curl this part again. It's way faster than individually curling all this because it would definitely take me a very long time. So I'm kind of happy with how this turned out. Would I redo my bangs? Yeah. I'm gonna give this video a 9 out of 10 just because I couldn't get all the pieces at the big chunks, so it depends on the person's hairstyle, but overall pretty good. And it, like, if you're in a rush, I think this would be a really effective way to do that. So Props to you, person who made this video. Also, if you're wondering about what this is on my face, don't worry about it. Let's just say this quarantine is getting to me. And I really should not be picking at my skin. And you shouldn't either, but here I am. So, all right, don't mind this awkward putting the bangs in the front kind of thing here. I figured while I'm here, I might as well film the other hair tutorial that I saw on TikTok. So basically she's doing a really easy updo. Now, I never do updos on my hair, mostly because I feel like I look like a man, but also because like, who can do their own updo? Like, it's very difficult and I don't have the time for that. But today I figured I'm gonna try it out. My hair's already curly from the previous one, so I think it'll add some texture. Let me show you the video first. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna like turn around and do it all that way, but so you guys can see. 2 low ponytails, so that's one. So the 2, I feel like they're really far apart. Does that matter? Like that. Okay, so 2 sections. Twist. And around. Shove this in. Let's just leave it like that. These 2 in each other. Okay, I mean, does it look cute from the front? Yeah. How does it look in the back? I will find out after I watch this video back, but this is what I've done. I mean, is it cute, guys? Have I successfully done an updo? So I just accidentally deleted the rating that I gave it, and thankfully I didn't delete the actual hair tutorial, but I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10 because I feel like it was really cute. It was fast. My only issue with that is that for somebody who's a beginner, I mean, it could turn out the way that I did it and just be like not the best, but yeah, I think it was a pretty good and easy tutorial. All right, so please excuse my appearance. I had to wait until nighttime to do this last one here because it's heatless curls and I wanted it to last overnight. So I'm gonna play the video that this girl did and I thought it was really cool, so let's watch it first. So basically she took her robe the string that comes with a robe, she put it on her head and she basically did like French rope braids, I guess. So we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna fall asleep on it tonight and then I will show you guys what it looks like in the morning. So let's put it on our head and then I'm just gonna clip this one side together so I don't lose it. Okay, I have like 0 space to move because this is my door, but the mirror is in front of me, so this is a little bit better, so. A little elastic. Oh my god, I look ridiculous. Okay, so wait, she put a t-shirt over her head, right? Let me go get one. I don't know what to do with this. Oh my god, I look like a nun. I think I don't need this, right? It's making my head sweaty. I'm just gonna sleep like this. I don't think it'll, I just sleep straight. I'll just sleep like a dead person like this. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and I cannot explain how much pain I was in sleeping with this. It's very uncomfortable. It's honestly like the worst sleep I've ever had. And so I wanted to like eat breakfast first, and I was like, no, I have to take this off first. So let's take it out. I can't do it. I just have a feeling that the front of my face, because I have bangs in the front, I feel like the front pieces are just gonna be like all the way up here. Okay. Already that just feels so much better. It's so tight on my neck. Oh my god. Okay, this part looks a little ridiculous. I feel like just this part in general, my hair just doesn't want to curl. Like, let's see it from the back. I just when I looked in the mirror, I feel like it looks better on the viewfinder for some reason, but when I look in the mirror, I look insane. It looks like literally like raggedy doll curls in my hair. Like, I don't know. So I think I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10. Like, it works. It didn't get these pieces really, they just look limp. I mean, I don't know if she tells you to sleep in it actually, so maybe you're supposed to keep it on for like a few hours, not overnight. Also, I wouldn't recommend doing it overnight because it really hurts. So, yeah, so I guess that's this one. See it now. I like fixed up the insides with my curling wand. Looks good. And then I put some curl serum in so that it lasts. I think it looks better. I think it's a good start because if you're like in a rush, you could just like go over it with a wand really quickly, and you don't have to recurl everything. So, I mean, but they do look a little bit crazy for somebody with straight hair.
Alright, so I decided to film my outro outside because it's really nice outside. So, I mean, that's the plus side to quarantine, I guess. Like, we're getting some good weather now. But so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!